Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Real English Conversation podcast.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you are here today.
This podcast is for English beginners.
Yes, if you are A1 or A2 level, you are in the right place.
Today, we talk about movies and music.
Movies and music are fun. Everyone likes them.
We will use easy English.
Short sentences, simple words.
You will listen.
Then we discuss.
Then you listen again.
This helps you learn faster.
Before we start, please like this podcast.
And subscribe if you want to improve your English.
All right, let's begin. Movies. Talking about movies. Very basic.
Ronald, do you like movies?
Yes, I like movies.
Good job. That sentence is perfect.
I like action movies.
Action movies. Nice.
They are exciting.
Great word, exciting.
Exciting means fun and full of action.
Yes, let's repeat together. Movies can be exciting.
Movies can be exciting.
Good job.
Simple movie types.
There are many types of movies.
Action movies.
Comedy movies.
Comedy movies are funny.
Yes, funny means they make you laugh.
I like comedy movies.
Nice sentence. Say it again.
I like comedy movies.
Perfect.
Do you like comedy movies?
Yes, I do.
Good job.
Real life example. After work, I watch a movie.
That sounds nice.
I watch movies at home.
At home. Good phrase.
Repeat after me. I watch movies at home.
I watch movies at home.
Excellent.
Talking about favorite movies.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is a comedy.
Good answer.
It is funny and relaxing.
Relaxing means it makes you feel calm.
Yes, not stress.
Movies can be relaxing. Say it with us.
Movies can be relaxing.
Listening practice mini dialogue.
Now listen.
Hi, do you like movies?
Yes, I do. I like comedy movies.
Nice. I like action movies.
Good job listening.
Now, listen again in your head.
Music. Talking about music. Basic.
Now let's talk about music.
Music is everywhere.
Yes, we hear music at home
At work.
and on the phone.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Love is stronger than like.
Correct. Music.
Music types. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Pop music is popular.
Yes, many people like it.
I like soft music.
Soft music is calm.
Good word, calm.
Repeat. Soft music is calm.
Soft music is calm.
Very good. Daily life music example. In the morning, I listen to music.
In the morning, nice phrase.
Music helps me feel happy.
Happy is a great word.
Music makes me happy.
Say it again.
Music makes me happy.
Simple questions practice. Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, I do.
When do you listen to music?
I listen to music at night.
Good sentence.
Thank you.
Listen, discuss, then listen again. Now listen.
I listen to music at night. It helps me relax.
Good job listening.
Now, listen again in your mind.
Movies and music together. Movies and music are fun.
Yes, they help us relax.
I watch movies on weekends.
I listen to music every day.
Good daily English.
Simple English is powerful.
You are improving already.
Yes, keep going.
Common phrases, repeat practice. I like movies.
I like music.
My favorite movie is comedy.
My favorite music is pop.
Movies are exciting.
Music is relaxing.
Stephanie, I want to talk today.
Sure, Ronald. Let's talk.
I want to talk about movies.
Nice topic. Movies are fun.
Yes, movies are fun.
Good. Say it again.
Movies are fun.
Great job. Talking about likes.
Ronald, do you like movies?
Yes, I do.
Good answer.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I do.
Nice. You are learning fast. Movie types. Slow and clear.
There are many kinds of movies.
Kinds means types.
Yes, types of movies. Action movies
Action movies have fights.
and fast scenes.
Good.
Comedy movies.
Comedy movies are funny.
Funny movies make us laugh.
Correct. Laugh is ha ha. Repeat after me. I like action movies.
I like action movies.
Good. I like comedy movies.
I like comedy movies.
Very good.
Personal example. Real life. After work, I watch movies.
After work. Good phrase.
I watch movies at home.
At home. Nice.
I watch movies with my family.
That sounds nice. Listening practice.
Now listen carefully. I like movies. I watch movies at home.
Good listening.
Now listen again in your mind. Movies, feelings.
Movies make us feel things.
Feel means emotion.
Yes.
Movies can make me happy.
Happy is a good feeling.
Movies can make me sad.
Sad is not happy.
Movies can be exciting.
Exciting means very interesting. Slow repetition. Movies make me happy.
Movies make me happy.
Movies are exciting.
Movies are exciting.
Great job.
Talking about favorites. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is a comedy
Why?
because it is funny.
Good reason.
Pattern practice. My favorite movie is
My favorite movie is action.
nice.
My favorite movie is comedy.
Perfect. Music section. Smooth transition.
Now let's talk about music. I like music.
Easy sentence. Good.
I listen to music every day.
Every day means daily.
Yes, daily.
Music types. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Pop music is popular.
I like soft music.
Soft music is calm.
Calm means relaxed.
Correct.
Daily routine example. In the morning, I listen to music.
Morning music is nice.
Music helps me wake up.
Wake up means get out of bed. Slow repeat. I listen to music.
I listen to music.
Music makes me happy.
Music makes me happy.
Questions and answers. Real talk.
Do you listen to music at night?
Yes, I do.
Why?
It helps me relax.
Relax is very important.
Listen, discuss, listen again, listen.
I listen to music at night. It helps me relax.
Good.
Now listen again quietly. Movies versus music. Simple comparison.
Movies or music?
I like both.
Both is a good word.
Movies on weekends.
Music every day.
Good balance.
Beginner conversation loop. Practice. Do you like movies?
Yes, I do.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
Great job.
Encouragement moments.
You are doing well.
Your English is improving.
Don't be shy.
Speak slowly.
Mistakes are okay.
Natural small talk. When do you watch movies?
I watch movies on Sunday.
Sunday is a good day.
I feel relaxed on Sunday. Pattern drill. I watch movies on
I watch movies on Friday.
nice. Long listening practice. Easy. Listen carefully.
I like movies and music. I watch movies at home. I listen to music every day. Movies are fun. Music makes me happy.
Excellent listening.
Stephanie, let's talk more.
Sure, Ronald.
Today, I want to talk about TV.
Nice. TV is common.
Yes, many people watch TV.
Good sentence. Talking about TV basics. Ronald, do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
Very good.
I watch TV every day.
Every day means daily.
Yes, daily.
Simple TV vocabulary. TV shows.
Movies on TV.
News.
Cartoons.
Good list. Repeat practice. Repeat after me. I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I watch TV every day.
I watch TV every day.
Great job. Talking about time.
I watch TV at night.
At night. Good phrase.
I watch TV after dinner.
Nice daily English. Listen, discuss, listen again. Listen carefully.
I watch TV at night after dinner.
Good listening.
Now listen again in your head.
TV show types. Very easy. There are many TV shows.
Yes,
Some TV shows are funny.
funny shows make us laugh.
Correct.
Some TV shows are serious.
Serious means not funny. Real example.
I like funny TV shows.
Good sentence.
They help me relax.
Relax means feel calm. Question practice. Do you like TV shows?
Yes, I do.
What TV shows do you like?
I like funny shows.
Nice answer. Daily life TV talk.
My family watches TV together.
Together is a good word.
We watch TV in the living room.
Living room, good vocabulary. Repeat slowly. We watch TV together.
We watch TV together.
Excellent. Talking about songs.
Now, let's talk about songs.
I like songs. Easy and clear.
I listen to songs every day.
Good daily sentence. Songs have music.
Songs have words.
Yes, words are lyrics.
Lyrics, new word.
Good job learning. Repeat practice. I listen to songs.
I listen to songs.
Songs make me happy.
Songs make me happy.
Song types, A1 level.
I like slow songs.
Slow songs are calm.
I like happy songs.
Happy songs make us smile. Personal example. In the morning, I listen to happy songs.
That sounds nice.
At night, I listen to slow songs.
Good routine.
Listening practice. Listen.
I listen to happy songs in the morning. I listen to slow songs at night.
Great listening. Now listen again in your head. Talking about singers, very simple. Now let's talk about singers.
Singers sing songs.
Perfect definition.
I like singers.
Good. Favorite singer. Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is very popular.
Nice, safe answer.
I like his voice.
Voice means sound. Pattern practice. My favorite singer is blank.
My favorite singer is my favorite.
Good practice. Talking about voice.
The singer has a nice voice.
Nice voice means good sound.
The voice is soft.
Soft is calm. Repeat. The singer has a nice voice.
The singer has a nice voice.
Very good. Combining TV, songs, singers.
I watch TV.
I listen to songs.
I like singers.
All together. Natural conversation. Do you watch music shows on TV?
Yes, I do.
Do you like the singers?
Yes, I like them.
Long listening practice. Beginner friendly. Listen carefully.
I watch TV every day. I like TV shows. I listen to songs. Songs make me happy. I like singers. The singer has a nice voice.
Excellent listening. Questions for learners.
Do you watch TV at night?
Do you listen to songs in the morning?
Do you like singers?
Think and answer. Encouragement.
You are doing great.
Your English is growing.
Speak slowly.
Repeat again and again.
That is how you learn.
Daily small talk loop for long practice.
What do you watch on TV?
I watch shows.
What songs do you like?
I like happy songs.
Who is your favorite singer?
I like a popular singer.
Extended repeat drill. Podcast filler. Very useful.
Repeat with us. I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I like TV shows.
I like TV shows.
I listen to songs.
I listen to songs.
Songs make me happy.
Songs make me happy.
I like singers.
I like singers.
The singer has a nice voice.
The singer has a nice voice.
Good job.
Wrap up, friendly ending. Great job today.
You did amazing.
Today, we learned simple English
We talked about movies.
and music.
Key phrases today were, I like movies.
I like music.
My favorite movie is.
My favorite music is.
Say them again later.
Practice every day.
Now, a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments.
What kind of movies do you like?
Or what music do you listen to every day?
We love reading your answers.
See you next time.
Keep learning.
Keep smiling.